Today I'm going to show you how to print a picture onto a brick, or just about anything else printed onto a brick. What you need is a UV printer. You need a brick, which I got at Lowe's for about, I don't know, 50 cents or something. So I'm going to show you how you do it and what it looks like finished product. So we're going to go ahead and get started here. Alright, the first thing I need to do is check the size of the brick. I got to measure the size of the brick. Okay, this brick here is 7 1/4 by 3 3/4 inches. So we're going to go ahead with that information. I'm going to show you how to get that into the software. Okay, I'm now over here at the printer. I'm going to go ahead and load this bed. I'm going to make sure it's all the way up. And it is going to print an outline right here on this, so I know exactly where to place the brick. So I'm going to go ahead and load that, hit the load button. Once that gets loaded all the way in there, I'm going to go back over to the computer. On the computer, I am going to print that onto the bed there, the print button. And now it is starting up over here, and it'll print that right on the bed for us. You can see the light over there working. Get ready to start. Okay, now you can see there that it printed the outline right here under the bed. I'm going to stick the brick right into that outline. Right there. Center it on there. Okay. Now that I've got the brick on there, I want to go ahead and I want to make sure this brick is going to pass underneath here with no problem. So I'm going to go ahead and put the bed down here. Let it go down. I think I got close. I'm going to stop it. I'm going to go ahead and turn this off and manually push the bed with the brick on it into the printer just to make sure it's going to clear there. Pull back out. Turn the power back on the bed. I'm going to hit the load button. It's going to go ahead and load in there. And if it's a little bit high, this thing self-adjusts. Once it gets there, there's a little light beam that goes across there. It moves it up and down a little bit. Actually, just moves it down, doesn't move it up. Okay, now that we got that in there, I'm going to go over here to the computer and show you what else we need to do. Our total ink cost for this project is a little over 52 cents, 53 cents. So now I'm going to go ahead and hit print, and we're going to start printing on that brick. You can see there, put a white layer onto the brick. A little hard to see, but it did. And now we're going to go ahead and print a picture onto the brick. Total print time on this is just a few minutes. Now, if you prepared the brick, you could do a little better job with it. It would look better. You sand the brick down or something. But there it is right there. You can see it prints right onto the brick. Alright, so here's how it turned out. Not too awful bad. If I prepared the brick a little bit better, maybe sanded it down, made it flatter so there wouldn't be so many, I guess, little pits in it and stuff, it would probably turn out a little bit better, but it turned out pretty good, I think. But this is an excellent way to also add names or anything like that to it, sayings, whatever you wanted to do with it. This is you can print anything on this brick that you wanted to. It's not too awful bad. What do you think? Let me know what you think in the comments.